This is a video on installing a GearBrake smart brake module on a 2014 Can-Am Spyder Limited. I actually just installed it and was doing a video reverse order, putting everything back together, and got a phone call, ruined the video, so we're going to do it again. So I'm just going to do this real quick. You can find videos on disassembling all the body panels on a Spyder. The mirror, there's different ways. The best ways I've found is to put your hand here, because you don't want to bust the hanger up, back, and then slide it up off the hanger. Make sure you pull the connector out and don't lose the connector in the body. On this body panel, pull it, pull, unclip this plastic hook here, and then unclick it. And then for screws, we've got, just remember, all the ones that are going into a painted body panel have a washer. These two are the rubber push pins, or plastic push pins, so you don't unscrew those two. And what I do with my pliers, there. So there's one push pin on this body panel. Take it out. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 'Oh, I forgot the short one down here on the air deflector. There is a clip. These clips here hold onto this plastic body panel. There's a shot of my Doc Humphreys belt tensioner that I put on a month ago or so. And then the only other screw we need to get out is this one right back here. If you order the GearBrake module with the plug and play, it's going to look like this. So here's your brake harness. It is, when you open this up, the plug is going to be sitting right here. So you just slide it off its keeper, unplug it, plug the plug and play in, and then I mounted the GearBrake right back here. It has sticky back Velcro. So anyway, that's the installation.